Hi, Dean. Good evening, everyone. So, anyone facing any issue with any assignments or with website? And any question from any assignment? Everyone, you are on silent.
Priyanka, you can stop the recording, and when it starts, then you can start recording. Hi, everyone. So before moving forward, any one of you have any question, concern? Any one of you? So let me, so whoever has not finished assignment, you guys can go ahead and do that quickly. Let me share my desktop. And Prem and Mukul, have you checked assignment of everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, before moving forward, let's write one DDL statement to create a table. And table name is test1 columns, column 1 and its number. I just want to see what you guys write. Number 5, column 2, character 10, and column 3, you create number. Precision value will be 8 and a scale will be 2. So all of you create this table and just message in message box, and then we'll move forward. Just please do quickly.
Can you repeat the question once again?
So you have to write a SQL statement, and the table name is test_1, and you need to have 3 columns there: COL1, COL2, and COL3. And here is the data type: N for number, C for character, and here number data type precision 8 and scale 2. So you guys have to write SQL statement for that. I can see few of you wrote query correctly. I got the answer from Dolika, Simran, Aman. And let me see if anyone else wrote it as well. Let me explain you how you can write this query, and then we'll move forward. First of all, whenever you are going to create a table, you will have to write create, right? And what exactly you are creating. So you are creating a table and then table name, test1. Then write a parenthesis. And after that, you need to write all the columns. So column 1, and this one is going to be number data type, and that's 5. And then column 2, it is going to be varchar 2, 10. And then third column, column 3 is going to be number 8, comma 2. And just close the parenthesis here. That's how you can create a table. Any one of you have any question concerning this SQL statement? Ask me, okay? Because we are going to move to next topic today. Any one of you have any question concerns so far?
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Could you please explain the number data type?
Sure. So number data type, you can write only digits, okay? But if I will ask you, hey, what is your phone number? In that, you will have only digits, right? And that's integer basically. But if I will ask you, what is your salary? So in that case, there will be integer, there will be digits, and there will be decimal too, right? So if I will ask you employee ID, there also it will have just number or zip code. Zip code will have also just number itself. That's the pin code, right? So there are many different types of data where you will have just integer value. Integer value means you will not have any decimal. That type of data you will define as number. Got it? Number and just the here size. And we call it as precision. So basically syntax is number P. Okay? What kind of data you can put? You can put here
Integer.
zip code, phone number, these kind of values. But if I will ask you salary, right? Salary will not have just number. Salary will have precision and scale both. So what is precision and what is scale? So precision and scale, how it works. Suppose if I will ask you your salary and you will say your salary is $3,000 and 39 cents. So how we write that? 3000.39. So wherever you will have decimal value, in that case, we write it as P comma S. What is P comma S? P comma S is the precision value and a scale value. Precision is before decimal and all the digits basically. So precision will represent what is total number of digits you can write. But out of that, a scale is how many digits after decimal you can write. Got it? So if you are going to write number 10 comma 2. Guys, give me a minute. So here, number PS is you will have to write total digits and after decimal, how many digits. So number 10, comma 2, total digits will be 10. Out of that, after decimal, 2 digits. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me just explain you a little bit on the data type character also. Good thing that you guys asked me. Yesterday, I was just trying to move faster on that, but looks like Krishna caught me that, okay, explain me a little bit more. So that's absolutely fine. Let me explain you data type related to character. So mainly char, then varchar, then varchar2, and then nvarchar. Got it? What are these data types?
String.
So let's first understand what are these. In the beginning, when database compiler was getting written, people started writing char n. Char n means how many character you want in data. So suppose if I will write 10. And then varchar. Varchar n. What it is? Varchar is the variable length character. Now let me give you one example. Mukul, can you go on mute? Okay, so let's try to understand what is the difference between char and varchar. How many of you have recently watched a movie? Any one of you in this class?
Yes, sir.
Who watched movie? Just tell me your name also. Aman watched the movie? Arjun, okay.
The name of the
Which movie
movie?
you watched, Arjun?
Like it was a Nepali movie. Not to mention it.
Okay, tell me the name, man.
It is like Sarangi. Yeah,
Sarang.
Sarangi. Sarangi. It's a very sad story of very poor
Okay,
family. Yeah,
got it.
it is the
So
most
suppose,
blockbuster movie of Nepal, sir.
good. Okay, I will try to watch that. So Sarangi movie, Arjun watched recently, and he was going with his 10 friends. Okay. Now what happened? Arjun, only 5 friends came actually to watch movie. 5 friends got some work and all these, and they told to Arjun that, hey, you know what, Arjun? I am not able to go today to movie. I will catch you later. So then Arjun is thinking, okay, let me go to movie hall and watch. And since it is blockbuster movie, so many people we are not getting ticket there. And many people were asking, hey Arjun, do you have ticket? Now Arjun have two choice. Either, since he has spent money, right? And people are not ready to give him money basically. So there are two things. Either Arjun watch in 5 seat and then 5 seat will be vacant. Right? Or there is another approach that 5 seat Arjun will take and 5 seat he will donate to someone. So guys, what Arjun should do? any one of you in this class, which method is good? Either method 1 or method 2. Anyone in this class? Aman, what is your opinion?
Method 2.
I think it will be method two, because according to me, if I am not using it, someone must use it.
Okay. Anyone else? But remember the challenge, whatever 5 seats you are donating, there may be some pickpocket guy, there may be some
Yeah,
thief guy who will
correct, correct,
just slowly sneaking out wallet of Arjun. Maybe that may be possibility there.
correct, 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 correct.
So Aman is saying method 2, and I think Aman will change the decision now, right? No,
Yeah,
method 1 is
you have made me changed my mind.
okay.
Yeah,
Anyone anyone else supporting method 1 or method 2, guys?
Method
I
1.
support method 2.
Method 2. Method 1, I got one supporter who is here in method 1.
And
Krishna sir.
method 2.
Krishna. Okay. So Krishna is saying, yeah, see, I got 5 seat already occupied, and 5 seat I will just keep vacant, 2 this side and 3 other side, and we will coolly watch the movie. But Aman is also there, though he was a strong supporter of method 2, but later on he was changing his mind to method 1. But see, if you are donating, then 5 unknown people will sit. But anyway, unknown people will be still there, right? Suppose if you are going to watch movie another one, you cannot make sure that who is going to sit behind you, right? If you are taking 5 tickets and then all other 5 people will sit behind you in the next time, right? So it's kind of catch-20 situation, what to do, right? Anyone else also having their opinion? Anyone else? No? Sridevi? Any idea? And this is just general knowledge question, guys. This is not related to SQL, okay? So don't get pressurized that, okay, I have to remember this answer. You can just tell me your opinion. So Arun, one of you saying second. Simran is also saying second. Okay. Now,
one more
so
out of the box question would be,
Aman, what you are saying?
one more method should be there. Like, if
Uh-huh.
I sell the seat to the to the theater people only in half the price. So in that case,
Nowadays,
there will be
police will catch you, man. Every time,
no,
everywhere
no,
nowadays.
correct. No, no, sir. I'm telling that not in black. Like, I would sell it to the people only that just give it, donate from your side, so that there will be no breaches.
Correct. Okay. That's right. So see, many people are, and whoever guy joined here and just thinking, hey, what kind of teaching it is? Either we are just making house or making going to movie hall and all these things. So guys, if you are learning so seriously, you will have to keep memorizing the things many, many times. Got it? But if you will understand root from human example, technology is much more interesting to work and learn. Okay? So that's the reason I am not teaching in traditional ways where people just come, open PPT, keep reading PPT, just copy paste some example from there, show you, and class done. That is not my style actually. So if you are thinking, oh, I'm going to have very, very serious learning, so it's not a good place. But here, Learning will not be serious, but it will be much more effective. Okay. So, and all of you are very much open to give suggestion, and it's very welcome to all of you to suggest me. So now let's move forward, guys. And today it will be little longer class, so prepare for 1 more hour, okay? So now let's move forward. So I will just tell you one of my story. I was traveling from Bangalore to Patna almost 25 years back in my college time. And then 2 seats were vacant, okay? Many people came. They were keep requesting, hey, can I sit on the seat, man? I have to travel 2 days and all. That family never allowed anyone to sit on the seat. Do you know the reason? I slowly asked him, hey, why not you are giving the seat? So do you know the answer? That family told me, no, why I will give the seat? I have spent already 6,000 rupees on this seat. So why I will waste my money? Right? So there are a lot of people here also. They will say, no, I will just enjoy the movie having 2 and 3 seats beside me, right? But there will be some generous people also saying, okay, you guys can take 5 seats and then you can also enjoy and I will also enjoy. So now let's come back to the data type here. The CAD data type is like method 1. Got it? And varchar data type is like method 2. What does that mean? Method 1, when I'm writing char 10, it means either you put 10 character or less than 10 character, it will always take 10 space in database, 10 character space. Got it? Whereas if you are writing varchar 10, in that case, if you are writing five characters, it will just keep only 5 characters. Got it? So that's the difference between char and varchar. Clear? That's why it is variable character. Basically, it's made up of 2 words, variable and character. That's why it is varchar. Got it? So which one you guys like most, char or varchar?
Varchar.
Varchar, okay. But then you should ask me a question. Hey, then why this cat data type existing at all, right? This guy looks like very much not practical guy, right? This cat data type. Why still it is in market? So let me tell you. Let's see some example where we use generally this data type. So let's talk about gender, right? Gender, there will be all, suppose if you are writing gender code, got it? So it will be just M, F, or O, right? So there may be only 3 genders. So in that case, it's the fixed data type, fixed length of the value, right? So wherever you have fixed length value, normally we use CAD data type. Though it's not very necessary, but since we know that whenever we are going to put the value, it will have only 1 character. So let's move forward with CAD data type. But wherever it is not fixed, that time we go for varchar data type. Now, from where varchar 2 came? So it's like version 2 of varchar data type, where in world there are a lot of code page. Do you guys know what is code page all about? Any one of you? No? Okay. So code page is basically different script. You know, Latin comes like ABC alphabets. You guys read and write, right? On which we are using right now. Then there are Hindi, Chinese, French. So these kind of different script and comes under code page with special symbols. Got it? So varchar data type was not capturing much more code page. That's why varchar 2 came in picture, so that it can support more and more code page. Nowadays, there are a lot of different special characters and all will be there in the data. That's the reason people are writing nowadays in varchar. Got it? But normally you will see varchar2 data type mostly getting used everywhere. So guys, this cat data type is clear to all of you or it's not clear? Everyone? Okay, good. Now let's come. This one was just a recap of yesterday's class. Got it? Where we have worked on. Yesterday we worked on DDL or DML, guys. Anyone remember? Any one of you?
DDL.
Okay, good. So any one of you just tell me what is full form of DDL?
Data definition language.
Very good. So yesterday we were constructing house, right? So our brand new house already constructed yesterday. Now it's time of all the stuff bringing in the house, right? Sofa, refrigerator. Have you guys made the list? Actually, yesterday I asked you to make the list, right? What are things you are going to bring in this new home? Any one of you having list? No? So let's see. DML, we are going to talk about bringing data in the table. Okay. So when you construct house, then for bedroom, you will have bed, like and mattress and all these, right? For kitchen, you will have all the crockery sets and gas stove and all these, right? For living room, you will have sofa, TV, and all these, right? Similar way, for the table also, you have to decide. So basically, different room is our tables, right? So yesterday, any one of you remember what was the table name we created? Anyone?
SQL underscore bootcamp.
Okay. So sometimes see you forgot and now what's the option? We have to go to see the recording yesterday, or let me tell you one shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? Shortcut method is I am working in sandbox and here is the table list. So if you will go here, you can find it out in that list. What is the table name? So it was bootcamp SQL or it was, okay, this is the table we created. right? SQL BootCamp. Okay. So my table name is SQL underscore. And what are the columns we have here, guys? We can just go and see. Student ID. And then we have location. Then we have dream salary. We end up writing dean salary somehow. Oh my God. And then, so it's the candidate to just modify the name of the column, right? Anyone remember how we can alter the table and writing this deem to dream, guys? Yesterday
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wrote it and no one caught it actually. That I was keep waiting yesterday that, hey, someone just tell me that this is not dream, it's a deem. It is completely opposite of dream salary, right? But okay. So now any one of you suggest me how I can change this deem to dream.
We can we can alter table SQL bootcamp,
Okay,
and the column name will be like in the parenthesis, student ID, comma location, and as we have want to change the deem salary to dream salary, we have to write like deem salary in the bracket, again dream salary, so that it will change and course.
so deem salary to dream salary. Okay,
Yeah,
that's it.
yeah, and yeah, that's it, sir.
Okay, anyone else?
Or else we can no, no, sir, I think we have to modify here, not we have to modify here.
Okay, so basically modify, we call it as rename. Okay,
Okay, yeah, yeah, rename, yeah, we have to rename, or modify, not alter,
rename
Sir, we can drop
because
the
the column also.
because why
that's
we
the
can't, sir, we cannot, we have to drop or we have to rename, because as we are seeing dream salary, we just have to rename it. We So why we have to
correct.
like,
So I will tell you. See, one room. Who suggested me dropping the column? Tell me your name, please. No? Anyone who's so guys, we should drop it or we should rename it? I'm just asking, like who told me drop, I will tell you why we should not. Okay? So,
we have to rename only. Can I also
correct.
say something? Why rename?
Of course.
Because out of the four column, like which is one is student ID, location, dream salary, and course. These are and the scale boot camp is the table name, but we have to rename a column from the table. So we have to use rename to dream salary
Correct.
to dream salary.
Correct. So guys, see, one of you suggested me drop. That is one of the option that we can drop it and we can add it back, right? So now let's see what will be the complexity. Suppose you constructed a house and bedroom you want to convert into kitchen because kitchen, whatever you design, that's not enough big one. So suppose if you constructed 3 bedroom, you want, hey, you know what? Just change 1 bedroom to kitchen. So you will just go and change it, or you will just demolish 1 room and then reconstruct 1 room there, which is good idea. Just alter it, right? Not just remove the room itself. Otherwise, you have to reconstruct the home again, right? In database, we are not going to drop. The first reason is you may have data also in that. Right now, we don't have it. but there will be situation where you will have data also in that column. And if you will drop it, your data will be also dropped. Got it? So just rename it. So alter table name, rename column name. Guys, this is correct syntax or we need to modify something here? Any one of you?
We have to modify.
Yeah, sir.
What we should write here?
One thing
Any
should be there.
Modify
issue do you
column
guys see?
definition. This
Go ahead, please.
rename column. Add करना. You can
Oh,
rename table.
that's good answer, Simran. Yeah, that's right. So we have to write column word here. Good job.
And one more
Because
thing, sir.
rename applied on table and column both. Okay, good answer.
And one more thing, I think whether it is right or not, you tell me, sir. As you
Mhm.
told that all the characters, it should be in commas, right? Inverted commas, I think. Whether it is right or not.
Okay, so this is column name. So this is not data actually. Yes,
Okay.
all the data must be in single quote.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are done with renaming it, right? So if you will just refresh it, now you can see here column name got changed. Yes. Now let's insert data into this table. And what you want to insert for student ID, guys? Any one of you? Student ID,
Student
let me
ID,
write
let's say if I am
101.
101 or 100 or 1 something.
Okay. And what should be the location? Any
Location
one of you
like
just tell me the location, your location, please.
Jersey, sir.
New Jersey? Okay.
Yeah.
And then the dream salary, guys. Any one of you?
As of now, 5,500, sir.
Okay. But don't keep it dream salary, man. Dream salary should be a little bigger.
No, I'm just telling. Just suppose.
Okay. So $5,500. And which course is your dream course to attend?
AWS.
SQL? Okay,
AWS.
AWS. Now, see, what is our goal here, guys? Our goal is we have to, now we are going to say insert, okay? So we have to insert data into this table, and then for this column, I want this data, for this column, I want this one, for this column, this one, and for this column, this one. So we will start with insert. Insert into table name. So your table name is this. And what happens sometime you may not load data for all the columns, right? And sometime you want to load data for all the columns. So write all the column name for which you want to insert data into the table. Okay. And then values. Values are these values, right? Which you want to insert. So you may ask me why I'm writing single quote somewhere and somewhere I'm not writing any single quote, right? The reason is any character data, we have to write single quote. So here, if you will see, location is character data, so I'm writing single quote. Course is the character data, so I'm writing single quote. Number, I'm not writing anything like that. So this is the syntax, guys. Insert into table name and whatever column you want, you just write here. But the value you write in same order actually. Got it? So first one is student ID, second one location, third one dream salary, and the course. And now let's run it. So it's saying there is some issues here. What is the issue? It's saying deem salary is invalid identifier. What does that mean, guys? Any one of you? Anyone? What is this error all about?
I think the dream salary. Okay. Error dream salary invalid identity. It's not in.
We
It's we
need to
have
write
renamed it.
dream
We have
salary, not
renamed
a
this value, right, sir?
dream salary.
Mhm.
We have renamed this value to dream salary, so it is showing invalid identifier. We have changed, modified the table.
Correct. So whenever you will see invalid identifier, it means the column name is not correct. Got it? So here you can write dream salary. Now let's run it. So it's saying one row inserted. So let's see the data in the table. Select a star from SQL BootCamp. And see, if you have multiple SQL statement, you can just write semicolon. In that case, you don't have to select this statement, okay? You can just keep the cursor and run it. So now you can see we have one record. But there is a magic word, guys. What is that magic word? Rollback. And another, so let's run this one, okay? And see what magic is going to happen. So I just ran the rollback. And now let's see. What happened to our data, man? Any one of you? It's gone. We just saw the data a few seconds back, right? But now nothing there. Any one of you have any idea what's happening here?
So what happened here is like, as the name suggests, rollback. It again went to the previous value. Like it became where we didn't put any values in the like student ID or location or dream salary or course. So it there is no value. It became went to previous one.
So let me tell you what happened. Rollback, whenever you write any DML statement, either you have to say, hey, I don't want, or I want it. Rollback means whatever you did, just remove that. Commit means whatever I wrote DML, I want it permanent in database. So now if you will just run it, let me see if I ran it already or not yet. Okay, so it's not there. Now let's run it once again. So it's saying one row inserted. And if you will go here and see the data, you have it. And now let's run commit word. Rollback will just remove this data. Got it? Now let's run this commit. And if you will go and see the data in the table, it's there now. So guys, tell me now if I'm going to run this rollback, data will still there in the table or it will be removed?
Will be stay in the table because commit has already happened.
Correct. So if you will go here now, it will be there. So what happens whenever you will write DML, the data will be at temporary place. And if you will just to commit, it will go to permanent file. After that, if you are doing rollback, so there is nothing to roll back because rollback will remove only from temporary space. Got it? So we call it as data control language, this two, rollback and commit. Now let's move forward. Suppose I want to insert only 3 columns for it, data 1 or 2, and someone else can tell me your location, please. Anyone else here in this class?
Nepal.
Okay.
Nepal Pokhara.
Nepal, which location?
Pokhara.
Oh, Pokhara. I'm just thinking to go there from 2 years, man.
Oh man, okay. When you come,
There,
you can
there is a
see.
lake there, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
Kevalik. Yeah, you can do some chit chats there. Yeah, hang out
Sure.
something.
Mm-hmm.
You are such a cool
And
person, sir. I am so motivated by you.
okay, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Now let's see. Dream salary is suppose $6,000, and the course is not yet decided. Suppose someone has, okay, let me learn SQL and then we'll see what I can do, right? So in this case, I just have only 3 columns to insert in the table. So whenever you have only 3 columns in insert statement, write only 3 columns. Got it? So right now I have this 3 value. So let me copy it and put it here. And I don't have this course column data, right? Got it? So you can just do it.
Sorry, Rajesh. Just I
Mhm.
have struck somewhere, right? Like rollback and commit.
Yes.
So you perform this operation without mentioning the table name, right? Just you
Mhm.
type it rollback only. But in case of working with multiple tables, how it is? I mean, how this operation will work?
So there is one more catch here that is called save point. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose you are writing insert a statement, write here save point 1, then here write save point 2. After again some SQL DML statement, write save point 3. Now basically save point is label marker. At what point you want to do rollback or commit. Got it? So you
Okay.
can just keep writing save point. Good question.
Thank you.
And save point you will get on our, whenever you will go to DML section, you will see one journey on save point also. Because guys, here I have limitations. Whatever is important thing I am keep teaching you here. For detail, you can just go watch our video and everything covered there. Because save point is not getting used on daily basis. So that's the reason. But whoever asked this question, that's a very good question actually. What's your name? Let me just see who asked me this question. Can you tell me your name also, please? Who asked me this?
Yeah, this is Parshuramulu.
Okay. Person.
Yeah, thank you.
Now let's move forward, guys. And suppose after some time, student ID 102 want to change their salary. So how many data we have? Let's do commit. And let's see how many records we have in this table. So I have 2, right? And this 102 guy want to change his salary actually. So for that, we have update. Okay. Update what? Update this table. And what you want to set here? I want to set 6,000 to 8,000. And let me tell you my dream salary. My dream salary is 10,000. Okay. So let me write dream salary here. So update this table name, set dream salary equal to 10,000. And if you will run it, let's see what is happening. Oh my God, everyone's salary got 10,000 now, right? That I don't want. I want only this guy's salary to 10,000. What to do now? Anyone? I
Use
want
where
to
clause.
revert it back to previous value, and then I want to change only this guy. What to do?
Rollback.
Good job, man. Who told me rollback? Very good answer. See how much rollback is handy here now, right? Before that, you guys were taking rollback as a villain. See, this rollback guy is very bad. It's removing all the data itself, right? But that's the beauty of rollback here. So just do rollback, and now let's see what is the data here. Now it brought back to previous data. And here I want only this guy's salary should be 10,000. So what to do now?
We can write where student ID is equals to 102.
Are you checking on Google or you learnt already? Because I'm very surprised and kind of shocked. How come you are giving me 100% correct answer, Simran?
I think they are
I'm
just looking up on Google. Yeah.
using Google.
Google?
Sir already
Okay,
gave
don't
the
do
answer.
that.
You are just asking if you know, guys. Don't do
Correct.
looking.
So that's right. And see, that's a very good answer, Simran. What we have to do, we have to just put a filter condition to update only that particular data. Good answer. But now going forward, please do practice so that you don't have to ask this question to Google uncle. Okay? Now it's already updated, and let me see. Now for 102, you have salary as 10,000. Now I'm going to do commit. Okay. Another thing is, suppose I want to delete the data. I want to delete a record, employee 101. How I can do that? So, hey, we got too much involved in this database itself. We just forgot our new house and all these, right? So when you are bringing the stuff in your house, that we call in database as insert. And then suppose sometime you want to change your TV, right? Nowadays, OLED TV is very, very famous, right? OLED, and there are few more LED type of TV where even it is very big and you will see from very short distance, it will be very clear, like cell phone or laptop, right? So now we are having old TV, you want to change it, let's update it. Got it? So that's the update. What is delete? Suppose you don't like this sofa and one day you just thrown the sofa out of house. Hey, get out from this house, I will get new one. And when you have thrown, then you realize, oh, this month we have little less salary to buy that sofa, right? Because nowadays I heard sofa price is also in lakhs, right? Any one of you suggest me what is the sofa price nowadays going on? Anyone?
70,000.
Give me a minute, guys. Guys, just give me 2 minutes. I will back, okay? Let's take 2 minutes break. Hello, guys. So I'm back. Any one of you have any question, concern before moving forward? No? Okay. So let me share my desktop and let's see. So if you are just removing some stuff from your home, right? Equivalent to that is delete in database. So how we can do delete? So delete from and then write the table name. So if you are just going to write this delete, so it is going to delete all the record from this table. Okay. What is the method to delete just only employee ID 101, guys? Any one of you suggest me here?
Truncate.
Truncate will remove all the data, but I
Where
don't
student
know.
ID is equals to 101.
I think drop.
Delete.
drop will just drop the table itself.
No, sir. Where
Yep.
student ID is equals to 101.
Correct. So 101. That's very right. So looks like many of you are giving me answer now. That's very good to see all of you here, like Aman, Arjun, and Parsu, Simran, and few more gave me good answer. That's good to see you guys. So if you will just run delete and then only one record got deleted. So if you will go and see here, do you see here? Only one record there. There is one more statement called merge. Okay. You guys can just go ahead on our portal and watch this video. If any one of you will have any question, concern, we'll talk on that. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Let's do more and more practice. And we'll see you guys next week. Tomorrow, let's take off and catch up on all the journeys like DDL, DML, single row functions, and come back next week. So we'll explain you aggregate and some of the window functions. Okay. Any question, concern any one of you before wrapping up today's class? Anyone?
No, sir.
No? Okay, thanks all of you, and I will see you guys on Monday.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Have a
Thank
good
you,
day.
sir.
Have a great sleep, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.